The alligator indicator is complicated, to say the least. Just how does this complex but powerful indicator calculate its smoothed averages to give the trader valuable trend data? First, let's recap the parts of the alligator indicator. There are 3 segments: the jaw, teeth, and lips, and these are color-coded as blue, red, and green, respectively. And each of these is a calculation of both a smoothed average and a simple moving average over 13, 8, and 5 periods. Let's take a look at the alligator's calculation. First, we need to look at the median price, which is calculated like this. Median price equals high plus low divided by 2. The median indicates the combined high and low prices of the bar. Each part of the alligator indicator is smoothed by the following period and shifted forward to the next period after that. Let's take a look at each segment of the indicator. Alligator's jaw equals SMMA multiplied by median price 13.8. This means the jaw will be smoothed by 13 periods and shifted forward 8. SMMA means the smoothed moving average, just in case. Then we have the alligator's teeth equals SMMA multiplied by median price 8.5. This means the teeth will be smoothed by 8 periods and shifted forward 5. Lastly, the alligator's lips equals SMMA multiplied by median price 5.3. You guessed it, the lips are smoothed by 5 periods and shifted forward 3. Luckily, you don't have to make these calculations yourself. The trading platform does it for you. You can now breathe a sigh of relief. Let's move forward with some strategies you can implement using the alligator indicator. For one, the alligator is fantastic for pinpointing areas of support and resistance. One thing most trades might miss is that support and resistance levels don't necessarily have to be straight lines. Using the alligator indicator, you can find more dynamic levels of support and resistance, which means you can scalp profits in short-term movements, since the alligator indicator moves right alongside the price action. The more the alligator's mouth opens, the stronger the level. You can influence your buy and sell decisions when the change in direction becomes more apparent as the alligator's mouth closes. You can also use the alligator to look for crossovers. Be wary though, as there are such things as fake crosses. Interpreting crossover between the alligator's parts can be a tricky prospect, especially when you get caught in a fake out. Finding fake crosses involves looking closely at the green and red lines. If they intersect without touching the blue line, then that is a fake cross. That's one of the main benefits of the alligator indicator. It can help you with your trade entries, but it can also prevent you from placing bad trades. Thank you for watching. Let us know what your experience with the alligator indicator is below. Discover more strategies by downloading the companion guide using the link in the description. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care and happy trading. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want to get notified of our next upload, click the bell button. We'll see you again soon.